If you want to play unrated games on chess.com, you're in the right place. In this quick guide, I'll show you the exact steps to start an unrated game so you can play casually without affecting your rating. This is perfect if you want to practice openings, test a new strategy, or just enjoy a relaxed game without pressure. If this tutorial helps, please take a second to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software and website guides. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open chess.com in your browser and go to the online play page. Once the page loads, look for the play button and click it. This takes you into the area where you can start a new game and choose the type of match you want to play. After that, you'll want to choose a custom challenge. Look for the custom challenge option next to the time settings, sound settings, and click it. This is important because it gives you more control over the game setup instead of launching a random rated match right away. Now, in the game settings, find the rated switch. By default, this may be turned on, which means your game would count toward your rating. To make the match unrated, simply toggle the rated switch to off. Once it is off, the game will be treated as a casual or unrated game, so your rating will not be affected. Take a moment to double check the settings before continuing. If you want, you can also confirm the time control and any other preferences you'd like before starting. This is a good habit, especially if you're trying to make sure the game is exactly how you want it. When everything looks good, click the Start Game button. Chess.com will then create the unrated game using the settings you selected. From there, you can begin playing normally, but without worrying about your rating changing. And that's all there is to it. You've now learned how to play unrated games on chess.com in just a few simple clicks. It's a great way to practice, experiment, and enjoy chess more freely. If this video was helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want more chess.com tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.